It's showing full red. See, umbrella. Before I always used to like this, rainbow. Going to go out of Bangalore. Okay, Nirdosa is here.
At first I was so scared. There was this little and beautiful waterfalls.
They have wasted so many jackfruits, Look at this tiny fishes. My kuchi would have eaten them. This is of jackfruit. This is patrode. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Renita Fernandez. Hope all of you are doing good. Even I'm doing perfectly good. Today, where are we going? Well, we are going to Mangalore. I'm going to my house after 6 months and I'm really happy. So yes, let's see how the journey is going to be. I'm super scared of the ghats because it's rainy season. I hope we reach safely. It's showing full red.
Oh, is it?
See, prime day, 15 to 16 July.
Oh, SBI cards.
Today the weather is so good, right?
Yeah.
Like, because it's like, God was like, today I'm going to travel. Let me make her path easy. See, umbrella. Before I always used to like this, rainbow umbrella when I was in college. Girls used to bring, that was a trend that time, bringing long umbrellas. Okay, here you have to take right. Yes, we crossed the signal. Now, no one can stop us. We got our first stall. Super happy because we are going to go out of Bangalore and the traffic is done. Look at this. So poor, no?
Yeah.
Then they sell them.
And then you eat them.
Even you eat them. Okay, we are going to Vaishali. So we have been here before. Smriti took us here and I loved the taste so much that, I thought I'll go again. And this time I'm very sure that they will have neer dosa because it's just 12:38 now and not so much of crowd. Okay, let's go fast inside and order. Today how much people are also there?
So one lime soda, please. Sweet, okay. You want anything to drink? Juice?
Watermelon juice.
One watermelon juice.
That photo is there, no? The same branch is there in Mysore Road, Rajat had told. And you can see that turkey, right? That is there actually if you go to that branch. Okay, Nirdosa is here and mutton biryani for him and chicken sukka for both of us.
Mango.
Here only, right? Smriti will be happy. On the mango. Yes, eat. Okay, we finished the lunch and it was too yummy. So now we'll be heading back. So we are not going to give any stop. But if we get that sweet corn, that's corn, we'll stop, okay?
What sweet corn?
The corn which they boil, not the one which they do it in fire. That thing, I think we'll get it in guts because I love it. And let's see if we get that. Look at the cloud, guys. It's like here it's going to rain and there it's sunny. It's so beautiful. I just love this climate. Perfect for a long drive. we come to Sakleshpur after a week. So last Sunday itself we were here, and again we had to come here.
So on our way back, we met few monkeys and I really wanted to offer them few biscuits. At first I was so scared, but later it turned out that even they were as scared as me. So I offered them biscuits and had a lot of fun chatting with them. It was so sad to leave, but I really wanted to take one as a pet with me. So right opposite of that, there was this little and beautiful waterfalls. The water was as clean as crystal, and when I went to touch the water, it was as cold as ice. So if you want to experience the same and see the nature at its best, do travel through Charmadi ghats while planning to go to Mangalore. I'm sure you are going to love the journey with so many beautiful spots and views.
Achievement for us. Finally reached home. ये camera गोता है. Tatashant. Okay, so we are going to go to Jackfruit exhibition. It's in my college, and my mom wanted to go there because she loves plants. And here is my mom. Sang hi.
Hi.
Okay, so let's go and see what's there.
This is what hostel.
This is hostel. This is for sports students hostel. See there. Jackfruit. Everything is there. Papaya and all. Lotus. Oh, the purple lotus. Come. Ah, mango. Mango plants. Should take one for dad also. He'll be happy. जाय ना ते कित्याक म्हळ्यार क्लायमेट कोल्ड आसचे हे खंयचे प्रोमोग्रेनेट प्लांट This is guava. She wants purple guava plant. Yes, sir. See the ladder. Crazy big leg. Look at it. You have seen like this? Benganapalli mango, Mallika mango. I didn't know there are these types. Come. They have wasted so many jackfruits, you know. But it looks nice. Yeah, आता काय करतात पणस काढणं. See, banana chips and all is there. Jackfruit chips. Mangoes. You have eaten this? You know this? Custard apple. This is dragon fruit. Hey, see the papads, that small, tiny papads. You know? Different flavors. You see these pots, instead of mud pot, you can use this. Okay, she purchased this. It's called Sevantiga in Kannada, and she's going to give one more try. She purchased the same last time and it didn't happen, but he convinced her very well that she's going to try again. Hey, wow! How can they breathe in this?
Air is there.
Okay, it has to be like recycled again and again. Look at these tiny fishes. My kuchi would have eaten them. You do juice out of it. You have anytime tried? I used to like it when I was small. It's there in house. You have to remove it, okay? This outside thing. And then inside you have to like squeeze it and do it. Crazy. jackfruit. This is patrode. This is pickle of jackfruit. One tender cocoa.
Okay, one jackfruit, please.
Yeah, nice. ಎರಡು 50-50 ಒಂದ್ರದ್ದು. ನನಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? How is it? Show me. This is jackfruit one, right? Jackfruit one. They keep this jackfruit, okay, unripe jackfruit in salt water. And then whenever you want, right, you can take it and do it curry. In Mangalore, that's like famous.
Sukka.
Sukka, like jackfruit sukka. Mud cup. It's actually good to cook. So we finally finished purchasing the plants. So she has purchased some miracle fruit plant and a jackfruit plant. And yes, Titlans, ne? Yeah. So she's so excited to plant those. But it's so damn hot here. I'm literally sweating and it's not raining. My mom prepared this delicious food. This is boiled rice with dal and beans and fish fry. So it's so yummy. Oh, he got bangda fish fry. So you people, if you like my vlog, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Please show some love towards my channel and support me. So until next vlog, please do take care of yourself. Bye bye, take care.